welcome to the channel and welcome to yet another extraordinary episode about Tech Talk, technology sharing. Today we are going to discuss how to create multiple folders at once on one click in Windows. Let's take a scenario. If you have say 200 customers, just for example, you want to create 200 folders, one for each customer, and you want to keep each and every data of that customer in that particular folder with that customer's name. How will you create 200 folders quickly? Will you just use right click, then new, and then folder? If you go by this way, it will take you maybe a week to do this, unless you dedicatedly sit there for 24 hours. Then only you can complete it in one day. So we are going to see today a quick solution to this, creating multiple folders, bulk folders on one click. Yes, of course, for that we will need to prepare some data, prepare some ground first, and then that one click will do the magic. Here is the first tip. Whenever you create new folder, what do? Do you just go to alternate menu, which pops up when you right click on your mouse, then new, and then new folder? Is this the way every time you create new folder? If yes, if this is the only way you create the new folder, this is the new thing that you are going to learn. If your fingers are on keyboard, don't waste your time in finding the mouse and then its cursor and then right click step 1, going to new step 2, folder step 3. No, if your fingers are on keyboard, use the keyboard shortcut. That's Ctrl Shift N. You see, we have created a new folder here. Enter Ctrl Shift N, a new folder here. Enter Ctrl Shift N, a new folder here. Great, you just have learned an extraordinary thing, a keyboard shortcut for creating new folder. But this is also for one folder. You can create maximum, say, a feasibility 10 folders this way. Ctrl Shift N, Ctrl Shift N. How many times will you do that? How to create multiple folders in bulk? To this folder we will rename as test. Great. Suppose in this test I want to create 5 folders. What will I do? Right click new folder? No, I will not do that. Ctrl Shift N 5 times? Maybe that can be a solution. One more thing we can do. We can get the help from our old friend, and that is MS-DOS, command prompt. For that, what you need to do is, where you want to create the folders, here. So right click, you get this menu, right? So press the shift, hold the shift and right click. You get one more feature in this, and that is open command window here. Great. So we now have command window opened here. We will open this side by side. Now you see a simple command, md, make directory, md space, no complex syntax. This has, say, Jan, Feb, March, April. Great. And just hit enter. Now see, the magic will happen here. Enter. You see, the folders are ready. Great. So second thing you have learned here is how to create multiple folders with the help of MS-DOS command prompt. But now the thing is, how many names will you write this way? Of course, again, the feasibility test, maybe 10, 20, 30, not more than that. You know, who will sit there dedicatedly and write A, B, C, D, E, F, G 100 times if you want 100 folders? What to do for that? That's the agenda of today's video. Watch till the end, creating multiple folders, n number of folders, 100, 200, 300s on one click. What we'll do is, we'll close this, we'll clear our test folder, and now we will get some data first. Okay, so we have an Excel file, Microsoft Excel file, which has a column in which I have written all the names one by one of my customers. So this is the create bulk folder Excel. I have just renamed it for our convenience. Now what we'll do is, if you go here, this column is the column based on which I want to create folders. These are actually 1820 entries. Some 85 we will take. Okay. Consider these are the names of your customer. With respect to these names, you want to create folders. So 80 or 85, whatever count we have taken. So these many folders should be created. Those should get the names which are specified here. That is the motto of having that quick smart tool to create multiple folders on one click. Only one thing we need to do. Whatever data we have in whichever column, we just need to copy that. Ctrl C, open any notepad, new notepad. Ctrl V. Now save this. Maybe you can use Ctrl S. I'll save this on desktop. I'll rename this YouTube bulk folder creation, right? And I'll save this. Done. I'll close this. I'll close this Excel also. Now let's see the magic. Okay, we have this file here, our new base source for creating bulk folders. We have this folder here in which we need to create these 70-80 folders at once. We have one fantastic utility. I'll share it with you. I'll demonstrate to you how to use that utility, and in the description I will provide the link from where you can download the utility. So the name of the utility, this small tiny smart tool, is text to folder. So great, this is our utility, text to folder. Click on it and that's it. The very simple interface. We will not go in much more details. You can explore the options and remaining menu later on individually. And also, if you incur any kind of difficulty in using this utility any time in future, you can comment in this video. I'll certainly get back to you. Now, here also we have the option of manual input, but we'll not go into that. The utility has used the same syntax of command prompt MD at the backend. We will go here. Now, here the software asks you where you want to create these many folders. So we want to create these many folders in the text folder here test. So we will give this path. Here the software is asking me where is the data based on which I will create multiple folders. So go here, desktop. What is the name of our YT bulk folder creator? Okay, so this one. Now we are going to perform the magic. Actually that tool is going to do that for us. We'll keep this open side by side. You see, we have specified the path, the destination where the multiple folders should get created. We have given the source, the data, the input to the tool, the notepad file on which we had just copied column which contained the names based on which I wish to create folders. We just copied that into notepad, saved it, and we have given it to this utility as source. We will now hit create folder, and this is the button which I was speaking about from the initial duration of this video. On one click, creation of multiple folders, saving our time which otherwise we could have wasted. So create. Now if you see in test, there is nothing but one file but no folders. So create folders, bam, magic has already happened. Now you see all the folders we created in less than 3 seconds. Yes, this is the magic of creating multiple folders at once on one click with the help of this smart utility here, text to folder. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood the shortcut to create new folder, that is Ctrl+Shift+N. Then the old friend to rescue us in the need, that is command prompt. Use the very simple syntax, that is MD, make directory, to create folders with specified names. This is feasible if you have time. 10, 20, 30 folders you can create here. And the third, we saw the tool text to folder, this small freeware. In this you can create 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1000 folders at once with the help of a modified simple data source. The purpose of explaining and sharing all these things was to be more productive, to be more efficient, just to save the time that otherwise we would have wasted. Great, so we all have learned something new today. In case you have any query regarding this, drop the comment in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you. You have any tool in your mind, please mention that also in the comment so that I can explore and make a fantastic video about that also. If you are new here, please do subscribe. You will find here a number of reviews, infotainment, vlogs and such tutorials. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe.